Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have this monochromatic Corner Bouquet card to share with you. Let me set this aside and we'll get to the creating. For this card we're going to be using the Corner Bouquet stamp set, which is a celebration set during January and February 2021. So I'm going to start with a piece of scrap paper, and here's my Whisper White layer and my Granny Apple Green, and I've got one of the corner floral stamps. Let me just tap on my Granny Apple Green. Looks like it might be time to re-ink this, and I'm just going to start by stamping this in the corners, giving it a hold a moment so the ink has time to transfer. Same thing, patting on my ink, and then we're going to do this in all four corners, and I am not pulling the stamp all the way onto my piece of cardstock. Okay, so I'm going a little further up on the bottom and leaving more of a border at the top. Okay, and then let's come in here for this final bit. I'm going to scooch that down just a little so I can draw this back, and we're just framing our card this way. Okay, so next I'm going to take a piece of Granny Apple Green scrap and a piece of Whisper White scrap. I'm going to be stamping with the oval images from Punch Party, and I have layered them both on the same block so that I can just stamp both. I think I need to stamp that one again. It's a little light on this side, so I'm just going to flip my cardstock over. There we go, that's better. And then let's do this little line here. Okay, next I have my sentiment from Punch Party, and I have masked that with a piece of washi. Now the Punch Party set is also a celebration set for hostesses, and you can receive that free when you host a party or place a personal order large enough in my store. I'm going to huff on this now and then stamp right in this smaller oval. There we go. Let's close up our ink pad for a moment, and I'm going to bring in the double oval punch and the little spiral oval outline fits the larger oval, as you see, and then we're going to slide this. Need to trim just a little bit off the bottom so that it fits in the punch, so we'll just whack that off. And then line this up in here. Didn't come over quite far enough. That's easy to take care of. Okay, and we're centered and punch. Let's put these out of the way now. And I want to layer these up using some dimensionals. And then I'm going to use this layered sentiment as a guide for just a little more stamping here. So I don't want to attach that yet. Let's pick a couple of these things up and move them out of the way. So I want my Granny Apple Green ink again, and I've got the leaf and the little flower from Corner Bouquet. And we're going to put him down here. And then we're just going to let the flower peek out just a tiny bit here. And put one up in here. And let's see, I think I want another one right about here. There we go. That looks good to me. Okay, so let's put this out of the way and let's layer up our card. So I've got a Granny Apple Green base and a piece of Whisper White for the inside, and then a strip of the Oso Ombre designer paper. That's a free 6x6 paper stack during celebration with a qualified purchase. And we're just doing this as an accent strip along the bottom. And I'm just a smidgy long, so let's trim that off. Easy to do using your paper as a guide. And then let's add our multi-purpose glue. And bring this back in. And check your top and two sides, and your bottom will be perfectly spaced. And then we need our dimensionals back in for the back of our card here. So let's flip this over and be generous with those dimensionals so that it's not sagging. Okay, pull these off. Oops. And again, check your top and two sides, and the bottom will be evenly spaced. And then we're going to add dimensionals on the back of this piece. Before we attach our sentiment, let's pull in this Whisper White, the polka dot tool, and we're just going to do a long loop of that. And let's cut this. It's going to trail almost to the bottom of the card. This feels like summer to me. And then let's add a couple of mini glue dots to the back of this. And we just want it on a little bit of diagonal here. And it takes this kind of feminine card and makes it even a little more so. Okay. And there we go. There's our Corner Bouquet card. You can earn this stamp set free during celebration. Just shop in my store using the link below if you're in the US. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And of course, I'd love to have your comments and have you share my videos. Have a great day. Bye.